Hi everybody, today we are going to study about time and distance. Now the speed of a moving object is the distance covered per unit time. Okay, that means speed can be defined as distance upon time or distance per unit time. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. Distance can be written as in terms of speed into time. So from this you can say that distance is directly proportional to time and also it is directly proportional to speed. Okay, and as time is equal to distance upon speed, so time, if we shift toward left and speed on right, it will be time is equal to distance upon speed, which implies that time and speed are inversely proportional. Okay, and the unit of speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second or miles per hour, and it is denoted by mph. Okay, now here 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 km upon 1 hour, which is equal to 1 kilometer in terms of meter is 1000 meter and 1 hour means 3600 seconds. So its calculation will be 5 upon 18 minutes per second. Okay, sorry, meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second. So as if you consider V, kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 into V meter per second. Okay, and V meter per second is equal to, it will be reciprocal on its shift, which shift toward left. So 18 upon 5 into V kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, next definition is average speed. The average speed of a body traveling at different speed for a different time period is defined as average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Okay. Now, if we consider a body traveling from a point P to Q. Okay, if you consider this as a point P and to point Q with with speed of u units, and back from Q to P with speed of v units, then total distance covered is equal to, it is going from P to Q and again from Q to P, so it will be twice PQ. PQ plus PQ is equal to twice PQ, and total time taken is equal to, as this you have know that distance upon its speed. So here speed is u units, so distance is PQ upon u plus when it goes from P to Q, and for Q to P it's take a speed of v units, so it will be PQ upon V. So PQ is common in first and second term, so it will be remain in bracket 1 upon u plus 1 upon V is equal to, now taking LCM you have to cross multiply here, u plus V will be our numerator and multiplication is u into V. So total time taken is equal to, we will get PQ into bracket u plus V upon uv. Okay, now average speed is equal to total distance traveled, total distance covered or traveled is equal to twice PQ, and upon total time taken. So here it is our total time taken, so we put the values in this. So twice PQ upon PQ into bracket u plus V upon uv. Here PQ are same terms which will be cancelled, so it only remains 2 upon u plus V upon uv. Here it remains 2 upon u plus V upon uv. Now its reciprocal will be, uv is in denominator, it will goes toward numerator, so twice uv upon u plus V is average speed. Okay. Now consider the example, a schoolboy traveling at 3 km per hour reaches his school 32 minutes late. If he travels 5 km per hour, he reaches his school 28 minutes early. Find the distance he travels every day to reach the school. Okay. Now here we consider first, suppose the boy travels distance x kilometer to reach school. to reach school in time t hours. Okay, next it is given that if he travels 3 kilometers per hour, he reaches his school his school 32 minutes late. Okay, so here it can be written as x upon 3 is equal to, because he has covered x distance, okay, travels x distance, and how many speed, 3 kilometers per hour. So x upon 3 is equal to, so it takes, reaches in time t hours, so it will be t plus, and he is getting late, which means it taking 32 minutes extra to reach the school, so which will be 32 upon 60, because it is given in minute, we have considered in hours. Okay, so it will be 32 upon 60. Now if he travels 5 kilometers per hour, he reaches his school 28 minutes early. Now if he travels with 5 kilometers per hour, he will reach a school 28 minutes early. Therefore here distance is remain same, x, and here speed is 5 kilometers per hour, so x upon 5, and he have to cover t hours, we have considered time t hours, minus here he is reaching 28 minutes before, so 28 upon 60. Okay, so here we get two equations, so write it as equation 1 and equation 2. So subtracting 2 from 1, we get, now here x upon 3 minus x upon 5 is equal to, first term is t plus 32 upon 60 minus, into bracket it is t minus 28 upon 60, which can be written as t plus 32 upon 60, you have to make sign changes, minus t, minus minus plus 28 upon 60. So plus t minus t will get cancelled. Now denominator of both term is 60, which will taken as it is, and 32 plus 28 is 60. Okay, which is equal to 1. Okay, so we get x upon 3 minus x upon 5 is equal to 1. So here it will taking LCM, so 5x minus 3x, which implies you can write 5x minus 3x upon 5 3s are 15 is equal to 1. So we can shift it toward, so it will become 5x minus 3x, so 5x minus 3x is 2x, so we will take in next step, is equal to 15. So here 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 15, so which implies that our x is equal to 15 upon 2, which is equal to 7.5. Therefore we have get the value x is equal to 7.5. So in question we have asked, find the distance travel every boy has to travel every day to reach the school, and we have considered the boy travel distance x kilometer, so it will be x is 7.5 kilometer. Okay, 7.5 kilometer. Therefore hence boy travel 7.5 kilometer every day to reach his school. Okay, and if we have to find the time it is t hours, so we will put in any one of equation, we will get a required solution. Okay, so this is our first example related to time and distance. Now consider the next example. The distance between two stations A and B is 100 km. Okay, distance between two stations is given. Aroshi starts on a bike at 6 a.m. from A to reach B and reaches to B at 11 a.m. Okay. Mira starts at 8 a.m. from station B and reaches station A at 12 noon. And we have to find at what time will they meet. Okay. So in solution, suppose Arushi and Mira meet after T hours of start of Arushi at point C. Okay, in 5 hours, into bracket 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Arushi travels 100 kilometers. Okay, so if you consider the diagram for this we consider this as A and B station. So if it meets at point C, okay, and it is given, consider that suppose Arohi and meet after T hours. So here it will be after T hours when A goes toward C and A goes toward B, which means Arohi going from station A to B and Mira is going from B to C. Okay, so it will be T hours. Okay, and Arushi's speed is equal to, so he is traveling 100 km in 5 hours. Okay, which is kilometer per hour, so which is 20 km per hour. Okay, and in 4 hours, which is from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay, so Mira travels AB is equal to 100 km. So Mira's speed is equal to 100 upon 4 km per hour, which is equal to 25 km per hour. As we have considered as Arohi travels distance A to C in T hours. Okay, so and Mira travels B to C in, now here as Arohi is start on a bike at 6 a.m. okay, and Mira start at 8 a.m. so difference in this is of 2 hours. Okay, so here A to C it is 2 T hours, so B to C it will be difference will be 2 T minus 2 hours. Okay, T minus 2 hours. Okay, so here Mira travels BC in T minus 2 hours. Okay, so AC is equal to 20 into T, which means you know that distance, AC is distance is equal to speed is 20 and time is T, and BC is equal to 25 into T minus 2. As they both travels, if we consider AC plus BC, it will be 20T plus 25 into t minus 2. Okay, so AC plus BC is total distance. This total distance, if we consider from A to B, it is 100 kilometer. Okay, so it is 100 is equal to 20, its calculation is 20t plus 25t minus 50. So we have to shift this minus on right side, which will be plus 50 is equal to 20 plus 25 is 45t, which gives 45t is equal to 100 plus 140. Therefore t is equal to 150 upon 45, which is equal to 15 tens are 150 and 15 threes are, which is equal to 10 upon 3 hours, or which can be written as 3 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, 3 hours. Okay, if we divide 10, or you can write it directly, 3 threes are 9, so it remains 0.1, remainder is 1. So if we convert it in minutes, so it will be 20 minutes. Okay, so they will meet, Arohi and Mira meet after 3 hours and 20 minutes of start of Arushi. Okay, because Arushi is starting earlier, he is starting 2 hours before Mira's timing. Okay, so here it will be meet at 3 hours 20 minutes of start of Arushi. Okay, now consider next example. A person travels from P to Q at a speed of 40 km per hour and returns by increasing speed by 50%. What is the average speed of for both the trips? Okay, so here let V1 is equal to speed of traveling from P to Q, which is equal to 40 km per hour. V2 is equal to speed from Q to P traveling, which he has increased 50% of its speed from P to Q. So its total speed will be 150% of 40. Okay, which is equal to, that means we have to add 40 plus 20, 50%, its 50% is 20 km per hour, so which is 60 km per hour. Okay, so from Q to P he travels with 60 km per hour. So we have the formula, let V be the average speed for both trips. Then V is equal to V twice V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. So we have to put the values, 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60, which is equal to 100 into, here it is 4 6 24 into 4 into 2 is 4800. So it will be 48 km per hour. Okay, so average speed will be 48 km per hour. Now next question. A man covers a certain distance on a toy train. Had the train moved 4 km per hour faster, it would have taken 30 minutes less. Okay, and if it moved 2 km per hour slower, it would have taken 20 minutes more. Find distance. Okay, now here first we consider, let the distance covered by toy train be d kilometers. okay, and speed of toy train be v km/h. Okay, so t1 is equal to time taken by a train is equal to distance upon time, which is distance upon speed, d upon v hours. Okay, so this is our first. A man covered certain distance on a toy train. It will be t1 is equal to d upon v hour. Now it is given that had the train moved 4 km/h faster, it would have taken 30 minutes less. Okay, so if train moved 4 km/h faster, then t2 is equal to time taken by train is equal to, it is covering same distance d, only we have increasing speed 4 km in v, so v plus 4 hours. Okay, similarly if it moves 2 km/h slower, if train moves 2 km/h slower, then t3 is equal to time taken by train is equal to d upon v minus 2 hours. Okay, so it is given that t1 minus t2 is equal to 30 upon 60 hours. Okay, because it is given that had the train moved 4 km/h faster, it would have 30 minutes. Okay, so t1 minus t2 is 30 upon 60. So he would have taken 30 minutes less. Okay, and t3 minus t1 is equal to, now if it moves 2 km/h slower, then it would have taken 20 minutes more. So t3 minus t1 is equal to 20 upon 60 hours. Okay, so it would have 20 minutes more. So here it can be written as t1 value is d upon v minus t2 is d upon v plus 4 is equal to 30 upon 60, which means 1/2. And here t3 is d upon v minus 2 minus t1 is d upon v is equal to 1/3. Okay, so after simplifying this, you will get now here it can be written as, its LCM will be v upon v plus 4. Okay, and you have to make cross multiplication, so it will be d into v plus 4 minus v into d is equal to 1/2. Similarly on this, v into d minus d into v minus 2 divided by v into v minus 2 is equal to 1/3. So here it will be v into d plus 4d minus v into d divided by v into v plus 4 is equal to 1/2. And here also v into d minus v into d minus minus plus twice d divided by v into v minus 2 is equal to 1/3. So here vd on twice d remains, here it vd will be cancelled. So here it will remain 4d. So 4d upon v into v plus 4 is equal to 1/2. And here it's twice d upon v into v minus 2. V minus 2 is equal to 1/3, or it can be written as 8d is equal to v into v plus 4 and 6d is equal to v into v minus 2. Okay, so here d is equal to v into v plus 4 divided by its 8 is divisible, and d is equal to v into v minus 2 divided by 6. Now here LHS is same, so its RHS should be same. Therefore from these two equation we can write v into v plus 4 divided by 8 is equal to v into v minus 2 divided by 6. Here v will get cancelled and cross multiply both sides, which will implies that, or we will write here only. So from this two it can be taking cross multiplication. 6 into v plus 4 is equal to 8 into v minus 2. Okay, so we multiply it inside. 6v plus 24 is equal to 8v minus 16. So taking v terms at one side and constant at one side, so 6v on left it will be minus 8v minus 6v, and this plus will be minus will be plus 24 plus 16. So 24 plus 16 is 40, and 8v minus 6v is twice v. Okay, 8 minus 6 is twice, so v will be equal to 20. 2 divided by 40, which is equal to 20. Okay, so we have get the speed of a train, which is 20 km per hour. So we have to find a distance. Find the distance. For distance it is taking any one of relation. So we can we have here d into v, d is equal to v into v plus 4 divided by 8, or d is equal to v into v minus 2 divided by 6. So taking any one of it, we can write here d is equal to v into v minus 2 divided by 6, which is equal to v is 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 6, which is 22 into 18 divided by 6. 6 ones are 3s are. So d is equal to 60 km. Distance is 60 km. So the toy train covers 60 km. Okay, which is our required answer. Okay, so for today we will stop here. Thank you.